Today we are doing inside fire attack on learning how to take the angles and everything.
We're out here just doing a defensive flush in the house where there's 3 targets we have to go crawl under and basically put the white stuff on the red stuff. Basically learn how to become a firefighter, the steps and the process.
Put that arm up. There we go. Check your nozzle. Check down. Check the door for heat. Get low.
Just getting the hands-on experience and being able to actually, like, instead of just watching like YouTube videos and stuff, actually get the hands-on experience and see how it actually works.
Stay low. Hit the door. Hit the door. At this point, they'll be making their way towards the seat of the fire using short bursts and advancing on into extinguishment.
He gives really good advice, and from him being in the firefighter service, it made me realize like how much I want to be a firefighter and just be like him.
Who's next?